Hey, this is Ty.
And this is Matt.
First class service every time.
Oh,
Get
yeah.
on in, let's show
Come
you
on,
around.
check it out.
I'm going to take you on a little bit of a tour of our lot. For those people that can't get down here and see what our inventory is and what we have to offer, I'm going to give you a sneak peek.
Right here, those Cougars, my favorite. 4-season campers, and they're pretty sweet. Just saying.
So we like to cover all aspects of the market. So as you see to our right here, we've got our modern buggy. This is just one of the many floor plans that they have. Unfortunately, we don't have any other floor plans in stock because they've sold so quick, but we do have more coming. We do have single axles as well, from our No Boundaries editions to our modern buggies, all the way through to our Keystone products as well. So if you are looking for a specific item, we're bound to have it amongst the different brands that we carry.
And we carry tons of brands. Outback, Cougar, J-Feather, J-Flights, White Hawk. You name it, we got it and we'll get it. All right. And right here, these Cougars to our left, we kind of have them set up to where we have our high quality stuff up front. These Cougars are my favorite. They're easy to sell because their name speaks for themselves. They got lithium batteries and solar on them, depending on what year. Our 23 right here has lithiums and a 400i solar package. So you get two 200-watt panels and an inverter with heated tanks. So you can't beat that. Already installed.
The nice thing about the Cougar as well is king-size beds. For those that are a bigger person like myself, you got king-size bed. The other thing that we like to encompass in the Midway aspect is carrying the best product. So if you think about it, you've got Keystone Cougar is the #1 selling in its class. The Keystone Bullet is the #1 ultralight in its class. We've got our No Boundaries. These actually showed up today. We've got our 10.7 and we've got our 20.3. The nice thing about these products is their name speaks for themselves. No Boundaries. You can take them anywhere. They've got independent suspension, outdoor kitchens.
Let me show you. Let's see this.
Matt's going to show you around a little bit.
Look at that independent suspension right there. The Beast Mode package. This thing is sweet. Got a tent up top. I mean, it's tiny, but you can fit a ton of people in there.
We have so much going on this lot. We're really outgrowing this facility, but we're doing our best. We've got service campers. This beautiful camper right here is a toy hauler that we just sold. We've got our technician under there, getting down, getting it done efficiently and quickly, so that we can get you guys your camper. We carry some of the best fifth wheels as well.
The best.
So we've not only got the best travel trailers on the market, from toy hauler travel trailers to off-road to SUV towable, Jeep towable. We've also got some of the best. So we've got our Jayco North Point right here. So this is a 2-bedroom North Point. Full body paint, Montana Legacy. That is as high end as you can get on a fifth wheel with our Montana package. That not only has your backup cameras, it's got your full body paint. It's got 440 watts of solar on there as well as an inverter.
Man, it's crazy.
Coming over to the Cougars is Matt. Again, Matt's #1 brand that he loves to sell.
They're just amazing. I mean, if you're wanting to spend money on a good quality camper but not spend an outrageous price, that's that camper right there. It meets it right in the middle, and they got all the quality. They're great qualities that you want in a camper, and they hold up very well.
Cougar's full size, as you can see, this one's a nice dark charcoal color. It's called a Midnight Edition. Cougar now does, on their bigger full size fifth wheels, full body paint, which is something that they've brought to the table for this 2024 season. We've got more of our Montana high countries. If you're looking for something that's a front living, rear kitchen, front bedroom, rear bathroom, front bathroom, we've got that in our lineup. So if you're looking to shop around, take a look at our inventory. We not only stock the best inventory, but we also give you the options. That's something that sets us apart. You can find something cheaper anywhere. If you want cheap, you can find cheap. Something with our Pinnacles, for instance. So this Pinnacle, most people don't stock that with the things that you actually need. So you're going to be out camping, and how are you supposed to get power if you're not going to be plugged into shore power? Do you want to be lugging around a generator after you've spent $110,000 on a camper?
I know.
Probably not. So we've built in generators on these things. We've got full body paint, we've got built-in generators, and we've given you the adequate solar package that someone that purchases one of these definitely needs.
And Ty, on these Jaycos too, you get 120 pounds of LP, of propane. And I think, what is it, most RVs in the industry give you 80 at most. So you get almost double for propane, which is awesome.
Yeah, you can never go wrong with the Keystone, Jayco, Forest River brands. And we know that there's a lot of dealers in Montana, in Wyoming, in Utah, in Idaho that carry similar brands or even the same brands as us. But we like to set ourselves apart with not only having the best prices, having a great team that stands behind the product. Like you said, you've constantly heard Matt loving this Cougar brand. We love the product that we sell. It's not just a brand that we have on our lot that we sell to make money. We love this product and we love this brand. So this is one of our last 2023 Keystone carbons, 17-foot garage on that, and it's got all of the bells and whistles that one would need. So if you've got toys, we have the toy haulers, 23-foot garage all the way down to 11-foot garage toy haulers. I'll cruise up on this 2025.
Yeah, I can go a little bit.
Just a little bit.
So right here, we just picked this up. We just started carrying these new motorhomes, the C-Class motorhomes. This is the East to West Intrada. Something cool about East to West is that they're kind of a new product out there. Kind of that price, budget friendly, all around good quality, good price. And we just picked them up, and I think we've sold 3-4 of them already. And this is a new 25 because we don't have any more inventory to keep up. So come check it out. You got a lot of cool options with it. It comes with an on-demand water heater. You get the solar generator on board, and this is the 350 Ford motor. So
they do have a couple options on here. You have the Ford chassis for those that are Chevy lovers. You can also get this in a Chevy chassis as well. Built-in generator. It does have your single slide on your bed as well. And if you look here, it might not mean a lot to you right now if you're not a motorhome dealer, but this is the only Class C motorhome on the market that actually has windows in this top section right here. So you've actually got another sleeping capacity up here, but you get a little more natural light and airflow throughout the coach when you're not driving down the road. So this is something that's new to us. We've got our all-wheel drive and a leader over here. So this is an East to West product as well. It's all-wheel drive. It's a transit edition, so you have a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine in that as well. That's another East to the West product. So Midway's really trying to stretch out. We're trying to encompass what you guys as customers want, and that's what Matt and I are trying to give to you today. So come down, see one of us. We're here to help you guys, and we want to give you the best experience possible.